Hi, my name is Christian Bonet, and I'm going to be talking about the process we'll be using for Project 1, Teleophthalmology. We chose to use the Scrum process, and we'll be using the Scrum process in order to drive consistent deliverables, ensure constant communication, and allow for flexibility for changing requirements. And we'll be using 2-week sprints. They'll start every other Monday and end every other Sunday. And we'll be using a story pointing system that revolves around sittings. One sitting is defined as a 3-hour working session. Therefore, one story point will take less than one sitting. 3 story points will take about 1 sitting. 5 story points will take about 2 or 3 sittings. And 8 story points will take about a week's worth of work or 3 or more sittings. Anything that's worth more points than 8 points, we will be dividing into smaller user stories. Some tools we'll be using are Tega for our Scrum board tools. We'll also be using Buddy Build in order to have continuous integration and ensure quality code. And we'll also be using GitHub as a private repository, and it will be a private repository in order to adhere to our NDA. And it will also be using that for version control and coding reviews. We'll have 2 roles associated with our process. The first one being the Git master. They'll be ensuring that we adhere to quality standards and ensure that we have working code at the end of every sprint. We're also going to have a Scrum Master who will ensure that we're meeting consistently and ensure we aren't blocked on work and ensure that Scrum is being used correctly. As far as communication goes, we'll be communicating with our sponsor once a week on Thursdays at 1 p.m. Arizona time, and it will be a conference call meeting that we'll just call into, and any other questions we have will be sent through email asynchronously.